When you're so close to catching your dream, but gravity has other plans. Oh dear. Put it in the bowl, human. I'm not.
你说这个猫变骚了跟猫粮有什么关系呢？啊，直到它吃了以后变成这样，我才发现我真的是无力反驳。
It's always better with a walk and a welcome hug from your buddy, right?
Who says domestic cats lose their strength in wild nature? Watch this video.
He thinks the bed.
When your cat is famous among puppies, you'll get this amazing scene.
Bobo, leave Binky alone. I can pet her too. Just put your murder mittens away.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
The fox was trying to put on a brave face, but the cat's like, I don't think so.
If you're not strong enough, be smart.
One pigeon, 3 cats, who will win?
Oh.
Hello. Hello. Mira, mira el monkey.
Sta tirando partite? Dai gatto che suene!
POV. When somebody suddenly rushes to make friends with an introvert. Huh? 80% chance this is a fake cat, because there's no way a real one sits still and focused, huh? After countless rejections, the first time being kissed, be like,
One pigeon, 3 cats, who will win? This cat is too cunning. The owner wants to play, but he already ruined the game.
나 친구 왔는데?
Cheek, Cranky. That chubby cheek.
City cats truly live up to their name. Walking on an escalator so professionally, who would believe it's just an animal? So
Ready? 1, 2. Oh,
Play it.
बस एक छोटा सा पीस काट लेते हैं। देखो कुछ नहीं होने वाला।
Dude, no. No! Oh!
this cat is dreaming the sweetest dreams in his human's loving embrace.
When we're with strong, protective people, we can't help but become more vulnerable. It's the truth.
Boom. Alright.
We're watching a real-life version of Tom and Jerry. After watching many videos, I can confidently say that cats and turtles get along very well.
I like your cut, G.
Imagine how if he gets that big then. Look at the size of that dog, mate. Hey, boy.
The orange cat is so brave being in the alligator's enclosure. After all, who doesn't want to challenge themselves at least once?
When you get a cat knowing they're calm and aloof, but then realize there are cats like this and cats like that. Playing with your bros is so easy. Just run up and have fun.
No, doesn't matter.
yeah.
How much more of a circle can you be?
On and on and on and on and.
Another one. Ready? Another?
A happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a. Run.
We do like it. You climbing. So cute. Oh!
This scene is so peaceful. I love these cats and adorable parrots.
No!
Okay, yes. You give me kitties? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. Oh, what you doing? Oh.
What do you think about keeping a pig and a cat in the same house? It's really interesting.
No, doesn't. Doesn't matter.
She like petty crime, she got green eyes like mine do.
Apparently, cats can tell they're meeting their
This little cat is dreaming of a world full of love, and this guy is that world. It's decided, my human is the comfiest bed.
Nothing beats a chill day with your bestie on a cozy sofa.
loco. Te agarré.
The little cat knows its owner needs comfort, and it doesn't hesitate to pour all its love to do just that. The orange cat is so brave being in the alligator's enclosure. After all, who doesn't want to challenge themselves at least once?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you...
Get down.
बस एक छोटा सा पीस काट लेते हैं। देखो कुछ नहीं होने वाला।
Nope, this is not on my menu today. Try again, human.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Hi, buddy. Oh.
Always on duty, making sure my buddy survives his own ideas.
Good morning, everyone.
Mira, mira el Michi. Está tirando pasitos, ¿eh? Dale, gato, que suene.
gentleness of cats can melt anyone's heart, even those who didn't like them before.
Can you guess what the cat is seeing? This cat seems to be opening the door to get inside. So incredibly smart. Truly the key master of the... This scene is so peaceful. I love these cats and adorable parrots.
Oh, your girlfriend's here. Hello, Ivy. Hi. Hi, my sweets.
Cat's defense mode always kicks in when anything appears.
Forget the old tales of cats chasing birds. This cat prefers to make friends instead.
What's the deal? I'm power play Bobby, that's scrunch money, hardest white dog in the game.
You.
The cat just pulled off a lightning-fast food heist. Lion, do you even know you just got robbed? Better watch out.
Oh.
A happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a
Oh my god! Oh my god!
He's gonna. Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
O Jezu!
I'm...
Hey, don't you want his...
A hug and a loving gaze from the cat can melt away all the sadness. Fish is not food. Fish is this cat's friend.
Knew a bad first impression could lead to a best friend, huh?
It looks like the cat and the baby goat are not just playing but training for some kind of fun animal sports competition. Who's going to win?
recreation.
Forget the old tales of cats chasing birds. This cat prefers to make friends instead. This heartwarming scene is sure to melt anyone's heart.
For sure, you can't stay stand for long with a caring friend like this.
Look at her.
The cat just pulled off a lightning-fast food heist. Lion, do you even know you just got robbed? Better watch out.
Gamma!
It wasn't me. Oh, your girlfriend's here.
My goodness, oh my damn, oh my goodness. There go.
앉아서 먹네?
So cute. Oh!
This scene is so peaceful. I love these cats and adorable parrots.
No!
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Oh, that's Homer and his bestie. You see, he loves Kitty. Kitty's not ours. Kitty's is a neighbor lady, and Kitty is 8 years. Give him a minute. They'll come.
Daisy, when will you learn to stop going up there? Mommy's got to come say.
when you're so close to catching your dream, but gravity has other plans.
Sometimes it's hard to tell if these four-legged friends are fighting or just playing. Who knows?
What is it? Yeah. Oh, that's Homer and his bestie. You see, he loves Kitty. Kitty's not ours. Kitty's is a neighbor lady, and Kitty is 8 years.
Very quickly, I saw nothing but a flash of movement and the game. These two kittens are so lucky. They got to ride a horse when they were little.
Everyone turns into a big kid when playing with furry, mischievous little friends. If you need practice for pairing...
Dude, no. No! Oh!
The cat's totally confused, like, am I seeing things, or is the pigeon really playing with me?
Fair-minded, and most importantly,
The dog really adores this girl. Just look at how he pampers her.
Okay.
La la, choco choco te, chocola, chocote. Meow 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 meow, meow 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 meow.
Yo, these cats are beefing at 7 a.m. What the fuck?
Does anyone have any advice to get him to stop?
Nope. This is not on my menu today. Try again, human.
Oh.
Hold up. Did the cat just claim the horse as its personal taxi? Looks like this cat's ready to go for a ride.
Nacho, that's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over.
Who says domestic cats lose their strength in wild nature? Watch this video. Always on duty, making sure my buddy survives his own ideas.
No! Go! Roy? Are you kidding me? No, do it. No. No.